case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The case of Ocasio vs. United States, decided in 2016 by the Supreme Court, revolved around a murky area of conspiracy law that challenged the conventional understanding of guilt and complicity in a criminal act. Samuel Ocasio, a former Baltimore police officer, found himself embroiled in a reactive legal battle after his involvement in a kickback scheme was unveiled. The scheme, which was initiated by brothers Hernan Alexis Moreno Mejia and Edwin Javier Mejia, co-owners of the Majestic Auto Repair Shop, began as a collaboration with a fellow police officer, Jan Corona. They established an arrangement whereby Baltimore police officers would refer victims of car accidents to Majestic for repair work, in exchange for kickbacks. As the arrangement grew, more officers, including Ocasio, joined the fringes of this underhanded operation. In 2009, Ocasio became an active member of this conspiracy by directing accident victims to Majestic services and soliciting payments from the Mejia brothers. It is here that the case takes a crucial turn, as Ocasio appealed his conviction on the basis that the conspiracy did not involve any plan to extort money from individuals outside the group, a claim that was roundly dismissed by the court. The court emphasized that the principles of conspiracy required an agreement among participants that at least one member of the group would commit the substantive offense, regardless of each individual's ability or inability to commit the crime themselves. Consequently, it upheld Ocasio's conviction, anchoring its judgment in the long-standing precedent in conspiracy law. On the accompanying interpretation of the Hobbs Act, the court stressed that it was not overly broad and did not create a national anti-bribery law. The act of a nightclub owner obtaining property, for example, wouldn't necessarily constitute a conspiratorial agreement. However, a manager who struck an agreement to obtain that property could be held liable. This distinction holds a broad significance in the broader implication of the Hobbs Act, substantiating the principle that under certain circumstances, it may be rendered irrelevant whether a conspirator can commit the substantive offense in a conspiracy case. With its ruling, the Supreme Court steadfastly maintained Ocasio's conviction and upheld the decision made by the United States Court of Appeals for the Fourth Circuit, which was, indeed, the final say in this case.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.